Daily life is full of wins, challenges, losses, questions, mysteries, conflicts, resolutions, communications, complex and dramatic family dynamics, friendships, crying, laughing, uncertainties, unknowns, curiosity, and all what makes life worth getting up for each day. Doing my best to keep moving forward and cherishing each moment at present time with awareness, gratitude, and acceptance. I choose to live at present time with clarity, attention, and focus. We are all worthy of love and respect. Finding balance is a daily task. It takes courage, determination, and willful, deliberate intentions and actions. What do you need to do for yourself today? What will make you smile and happier today?